So now that we've talked about the complete cyber protection stack that included cyber protect, backup, and disaster recovery, let's talk about a couple of the other features that you'll find in the system. The first one we're going to talk about is Acronis Cyber Files Cloud. Now, Acronis Cyber Files Cloud can also still be accessed from inside of the cyber protect and then switched over. It's very seamless to go between products, but let's take a look at the features and functionality here. The idea for Acronis Cyber Files Cloud is to be a complete file sync and share solution for your customers. That includes all of the features that they would expect out of any file sync and share product, with the difference being you and the way that you can bundle it and the way that you can service your customers. It's a great add-on product to selling backup or disaster recovery cyber protection solutions, but has all of the features they expect. So you can sync across all of your devices. So whether it's iOS, Android, a Mac, or a PC, you've got a little widget or an app on your device that synchronizes to the central repository. And when you make changes on that devices, they're reflected on the central repository, which you can also access at any time from any web browser just using the internet. When that customer's files are stored up in the cloud, they can be stored either in the Acronis cloud or in your own service provider storage cloud. This is designed to be super easy to sell. If you're already selling our backup product, it is designed to be sold on the same models when we get over to licensing. It is a complete solution, includes all the devices they're likely to have on them, including Mac and Windows, phones and tablets, everything that they have. But most importantly, we're going to give you, as the administrators and your customers' administrators, more control over the data and the ability to control who has access to what, when, where, and how, which many public cloud systems do not allow you to do. For your end customers, they're going to get all the features and functionality that they expect. They're going to be able to collaborate with others. They're going to be able to do version control. They're going to be able to work on that across any of their devices. They're going to be able to share those files with people external to the system. They're even going to be able to edit those files on a mobile application and so forth. We can go back to prior revisions. We can undelete things if the customer tries to delete it by accident. And it works even across slow, unstable internet connections, because you can work with this data completely offline. And it's safer than Box and Dropbox and the others because we give the administrators many more controls over the data. For you as our service provider, there are a couple of obvious advantages here. You're going to be able to sell a product. This is an easy add-on product to bundle in for the customer to give them more value. It uses the same provisioning APIs that we use for Protect and for Backup. So if you're already selling our other products, this one is very easy to add to it. And then it delivers strong reliability, availability, and serviceability requirements. Keeping in mind, this is a full integration with the existing Acronis data services that are across the entire Acronis Cyber Cloud. And you can use a ton of different storage with it. We have, of course, our own Acronis storage, but we can support any number of storage devices you want to put in your data center as well. And the more features that you sell to your customer, the more they will be tied to you. That will prevent revenue loss through churn. You want to keep those customers around, and the more files that you have with that customer, the better. So what is cool about the system? Well, for the user, they're going to be able to sync across all of their devices. They can edit in any of their applications. They can share with both coworkers and external folks. And it has complete support for the Microsoft Office mobile app. For your administrators, there's the ability to have more controls over things. You can browse and restore prior versions of files. You can store files in a known location and access them from anywhere. There's both in-transit and on-device encryption, and we can even restore a deleted file in case somebody messes it up. We have complete platform support for everything that they're likely to have. And for you as our service provider, we support both a hybrid and our Acronis hosted model, so you can host that data wherever you like. And then we give you complete branding and customization over it. And of course, the integration with all of our third-party APIs that we've talked about already. So all in all, this makes it a really cool add-on product for you to sell to your customers.